Good morning. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my videos, guys, consider to subscribe to my channel, guys. Last week, guys, my birthday, and me and my sister, guys, make a video of the viral cotton candy iced coffee. And guys, when I finished the video, I could not find some of the video. So right now, I'm making the video all by myself. Yes, guys, to show you how to make the cotton candy iced coffee. Guys, what I'm using today, I'm using the Fun Sweet Cherry Berry Blue Raspberry Cotton Candy. Today I'm trying this one, guys. Imagine, guys, I want to see how this one tastes. Last week, guys, the one that I made last week was pretty good. It wasn't bad, it was pretty good. So I'm trying this today. We're gonna need a cup. So this is my cup, and we're gonna need our cotton candy. Watermelon, it does have like a flavor to it. So last week when I make it, I prefer the watermelon over the original. Our water, warm water. This is warm water, guys. All right. So now what we need is our ice. So we're gonna put some ice. Okay, so well, this looks pretty, guys. It does look so pretty. Alright, so now what we need now, we need our milk. So guys, you can use milk or you can use off and off. It's up to you. I prefer to use off and off. I choose off and off. So I'm gonna show a little off and off. Oh, this looks so pretty. Guys, now guys, we're gonna put our coffee. So I'm gonna put our coffee in this. We finish with this. Now we're gonna put our coffee. So I'm using the instant coffee. That's what I'm using for this one, the instant coffee. That's what I used last week. Yeah. So I'm gonna throw it in some water. Guys, tell me in the comment if you ever tried this before. But this is the viral coffee, cotton candy.
Cotton candy heat, a sugary sweet iced coffee aesthetic, but with a spicy bass drop. If you want actual tracks.
What do you think? Guys, it is so pretty. Tell me in the comment if you're gonna try it. Yeah, you definitely need to try this. Guys, I love it. It looks absolutely good. I'm glad if you want to be extra like me. You want to be extra like me, guys. But this, you know, this is my favorite thing. I absolutely. You want to be extra like me, guys. Put some whipped cream. Cause I love whipped cream. But guys, it look good. What do you think? It look good. Last week I drink it and it's nice, guys. I really love my sister one because of watermelon. My one did just dedicate it was, of course, it was just original. Yeah, but what do you think? I like it. And if you want to stir it up like from the bottom, you can do that. And this is stir it and stir it look from the bottom. Look at that nice color. Yeah, guys, I like it. Hey guys, nice. You guys, so try this, guys, and come back and leave me a comment and tell me if you like it or not. All right, this will be my second time try, guys. My second time try. I may like it, you know, something different, something new. You know, sometimes we want to try, you know, new stuff, you know, new things. You know, no matter how old we are, we want to try new stuff, right? Something new, something different. All right, guys. Guys, if you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, you know, share with your friends and family. Guys, if you want to support my channel, the link always is whether down below or up below. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.